Hello data people, this is Mike Oslus and I'm reporting on my data for King County Home Sales in King County, Washington, the state of Washington, USA, which is located around Seattle, east in the Seattle area, and then east and southeast of Seattle. As you can see as my report fills in, that the map in the upper left-hand corner shows the latitude and longitude of the houses sold from May 2014 through May 30th, 2015. The map below shows the outline of the zip codes that are located in King County. The center of the report shows how many houses were sold during this time period, just 21,613. And below that is a bar graph showing the number of houses sold each month. And there's a slider that can filter the data based on the sale price for less than 250,000, 250,000 to 499,000, 500,000 to 999,000, and $1 million and up. So, and then there's a table to show the zip codes of how many houses were sold in each zip code and the average sale price of those houses in this time frame that we're working. So there's a number of ways we can use this data. First, we can contractors can use this data to search on where they might want to build their next house. If we're a contractor that specializes in building houses between 250,000 and 500,000, we can search for zip codes in this price range that sell for the highest value. And one of the highest values would be zip code 98075. So we can narrow that search down to just that zip code, and then we could tailor our search for where to build to just this zip code, and we could look for subdivisions or land in this area, in this zip code of 98075, to try and get the most profit for the house that we plan to build. We could also use this information if we're a realtor, and we could look at when we want to target our home buyers. As we can see, April and May would be the expected months, and they are in fact when most of the transactions would happen. But even though they're not as plenty, November and December and even February are still fairly active months, especially as compared to January. So as a realtor, we could look at targeting the April and May months and look at doing other parts of the business during January and then into February. So that will tell us the data, the story of the data for King County Home Sales in Washington. Thank you.